a crime is underway. Not against a person, but against the very laws of mathematics that keep our world secure. The evidence points to an attack of impossible speed and precision. The game, as they say, is afoot. You see, the very foundations of our digital civilization, things like RSA and elliptic curve cryptography, they're being shattered. These aren't just algorithms. They are the chains of trust that bind global finance, that secure our digital lives. And right now, they are snapping, one by one, being undone by a ghost in the quantum machine.
Our investigation starts with this one single crucial clue. This question right here is the key. Find the answer, and we unmask the culprit behind this impending cryptographic collapse. So observe it carefully. This is the thread that's going to unravel the entire conspiracy.
And who are the victims of this elegant crime? Well, none other than the titans of digital security. We're talking about the systems that protect trillions in transactions every single day, the ones that authenticate our identities, the ones that underpin the very idea of digital trust. They're all vulnerable. All of them, compromised by the same unseen assailant. You know, once you eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, however improbable, must be the truth. And the perpetrator of this perfect mathematical crime is none other than Shor's algorithm. So, what's its method? Well, Shor's doesn't use brute force. No, its technique is far more refined. It uses the strange, almost supernatural rules of the quantum world to find hidden patterns. Think of it like a secret rhythm, a repeating cycle hidden inside a massive number. To a normal computer, it's all just noise. But Shor's algorithm, it can actually hear that specific mathematical rhythm, a property we call periodicity, and it uses that to crack the entire code. Let's examine the method. First, it assembles the suspects. The algorithm uses a quantum property called superposition to create a lineup of all possible factors simultaneously. It's like interviewing every suspect in the building at the exact same time. Second, it uncovers the hidden pattern. Using a tool called a quantum Fourier transform, it analyzes all those possibilities at once. This is the masterstroke. The wrong answers cancel each other out, while the right answer, that hidden pattern, gets amplified until it's forced to reveal itself. And finally, with that pattern exposed, a regular computer can easily identify the prime factors. Elementary, really. Case closed. And make no mistake, the stakes of this case are absolutely astronomical. A report from the City Institute estimates that a single quantum attack on just one major bank's access to the Fedwire system could trigger losses of up to $3.3 trillion. That isn't just a hack, that is systemic economic collapse. Now look closely at this evidence board. This is what's truly alarming. Notice how some systems like SHA-256 are only weakened by quantum computers. But the systems Shor's algorithm targets, the ones guarding our digital identities and our assets, they aren't just weakened. They are completely and irreversibly broken. There is no picking this lock. The lock is shattered. And so the investigation turns from the culprit to ourselves. With his threat established, the final clue lies not in the past, but in the future. The quintessential question is no longer who did it, but what are you going to do about it? Preparedness is the only viable defense. Now that you've enjoyed this Cyber Tips Explainer to understand the cyber world around us, go on a watch marathon of our playlists to become a cybersecurity expert. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.